Welcome back, aspirants. Today's session brings you powerful UPSC level MCQs that can boost your preparation instantly. Stay focused, think smart, and let's begin the journey towards your dream career. Which statement best explains why earthquakes are rare at transform plate boundaries compared to subduction zones? Option A, plate move vertically. Option B, no energy is released. Option C, stress is released gradually. Option D, rocks are molten. Right answer option C, stress is released gradually. The K selected species are characterized by option A, high reproduction, low survival. Option B, rapid population growth. Option C, stable population near carrying capacity. Option D, short lifespan. Right answer option C, stable population near carrying capacity. Which provision allows the Supreme Court to transfer cases between high courts? Option A, Article 131. Option B, Article 139A. Option C, Article 142. Option D, Article 226. Right answer option B, Article 139A. Which factor most strongly controls soil formation in arid regions? Option A, parent material. Option B, relief. Option C, climate. Option D, organisms. Right answer option C, climate. The concept of carbon leakage refers to option A, carbon sequestration failure. Option B, emission transfer due to strict climate policies. Option C, methane escape from landfills. Option D, CO2 dissolution in oceans. Right answer option B, emission transfer due to strict climate policies. Which economic indicator best reflects income inequality? Option A, CPI. Option B, GDP deflator. Option C, Gini coefficient. Option D, per capita income. Right answer option C, Gini coefficient. Which feature differentiates a money bill from a financial bill? Option A, introduced only in Lok Sabha. Option B, President's recommendation required. Option C, Rajya Sabha has no power to amend. Option D, contains expenditure provisions. Right answer option C, Rajya Sabha has no power to amend. The primary reason for the formation of coral bleaching is option A, oil spills. Option B, reduced salinity. Option C, increase in sea surface temperature. Option D, ocean currents. Right answer option C, increase in sea surface temperature. Which Indian mountain pass is crucial for India to China trade via Sikkim? Option A, Rotang. Option B, Nathula. Option C, Lepulek. Option D, Sipkila. Right answer option B, Nathula. Debt to GDP ratio is mainly used to assess option A, inflation trend. Option B, fiscal sustainability. Option C, monetary policy. Option D, balance of trade. Right answer option B, fiscal sustainability. Which ancient Indian text discusses republican forms of government? Option A, Manusmriti. Option B, Arthashastra. Option C, Rig Veda. Option D, Atharva Veda. Right answer option B, Arthashastra. Which atmospheric phenomena causes sudden warming in the stratosphere during winter? Option A, jet stream shift. Option B, sudden stratospheric warming. Option C, polar vortex strengthening. Option D, ENSO. Right answer option B, sudden stratospheric warming. Which constitutional doctrine prevents Parliament from alternating fundamental principles? Option A, doctrine of eclipse. Option B, doctrine of severability. Option C, basic structure doctrine. Option D, harmonious construction. Right answer option C, basic structure doctrine. Which river system contributes the maximum sediment load to the Bay of Bengal? Option A, Godavari. Option B, Krishna. Option C, Mahanadi. Option D, Ganga Brahmaputra. Right answer option D, Ganga Brahmaputra. In demographic transition, declining death rate with high birth rate indicates option A, stage 1. Option B, stage 2. Option C, stage 3. Option D, stage 4. Right answer option B, stage 2. Which technology enables precise editing of DNA sequences? Option A, PCR. Option B, CRISPR Cas9. Option C, recombinant RNA. Option D, Guinea silencing. Right answer option B, CRISPR CAS9. Which feature makes lithium ideal for rechargeable batteries? Option A, high density. Option B, high atomic weight. Option C, high electrochemical potential. Option D, magnetic property. Right answer option C, high electrochemical potential. The principle of common but differentiated responsibilities is related to option A, WTO. Option B, UNFCCC. Option C, WHO. Option D, IMF. Right answer option B, UNFCCC. Which Indian freedom movement saw the first use of mass civil disobedience? Option A, non-cooperation. Option B, civil disobedience. Option C, Champaran Satyagraha. Option D, Bardoli Satyagraha. Right answer option B, civil disobedience. Which type of unemployment occurs due to skill mismatch? Option A, cyclical. Option B, seasonal. Option C, structural. Option D, disguised. Right answer option C. Which landform is created by river rejuvenation? Option A, Minder. Option B, Ox Bow Lake. Option C, river terrace. Option D, delta. Right answer option C, river terrace. Which institution audits the accounts of Panchayati Raj institutions? Option A, Finance Commission. Option B, CAG. Option C, State Legislature. Option D, Planning Commission. Right answer option B, CA. Which component of sunlight is mainly responsible for sunburn? Option A, infrared. Option B, visible light. Option C, ultraviolet. Option D, gamma rays. Right answer option C, ultraviolet. Which movement is associated with forest conservation through community participation? Option A, Narmada Bachao. Option B, Chipko. Option C, Tebhaga. Option D, Bardauli. Right answer option B, Chipko. The twin balance sheet problem in India relates to option A, banks and NBFCs. Option B, government and RBI. Option C, corporates and banks. Option D, states and center. Right answer option C, corporates and banks. Which global index measures corruption perception? Option A, Human Development Index. Option B, Global Competitiveness Index. Option C, Corruption Perception Index. Option D, Ease of Doing Business. Right answer option C, Corruption Perception Index. Which Indian region is most vulnerable to cyclones? Option A, Western Rajasthan. Option B, Konkan Coast. Option C, Eastern Coastal Plains. Option D, Western Ghats. Right answer option C, Eastern Coastal Plains. Which fundamental duty promotes scientific temper? Option A, Article 51A. Option B, Article 51A(H). Option C, Article 51A(J). Option D, Article 51A(F). Right answer option B, Article 51A(H). Which committee recommended the Fiscal Responsibility and Budget Management (FRBM) Act? Option A, Kelkar Committee. Option B, Narasimham Committee. Option C, Rangarajan Committee. Option D, Urjit Patel Committee. Right answer option A, Kelkar Committee. Which ocean phenomena weakens the Indian monsoons? Option A, La Nino. Option B, Indian Ocean Dipole positive. Option C, El Nino. Option D, Madden-Julian oscillation. Right answer option C, El Nino. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, share and subscribe for more unique UPSC MCQs. All the best for your preparation. Thank you.